What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Bootstrap. Alright, so far we have done an excellent job, I reckon. I'm not sure about you guys, but I reckon we've done a good job. We have created our rows of columns and as MD4 and MD3. So far we have done our page and our new product. There we have created rows of 4 and rows of 3. And after the page, what I think is that the next one is we're going to create something around here which we're going to say favorite. If you guys see in the e-commerce websites, normally you guys see around here where the page is, or sometime you guys hear that if you guys like this product very much, so you guys just press here. There is a small heart sitting somewhere around here. You guys create it around here, but normally with the e-commerce, you guys make sure you guys keep in mind that you guys always put it beside your where the main title is about the product, and you guys put a small heart here. So when the user comes in your side the website and they browse all the product, and when the user likes this product and they click this heart, and it goes inside here somewhere around here, we put another heart here that we let the user know that the user likes this product so much. So how we going to create this heart? So we come around here, and you guys see that the new chairs, and we gotta put that in order first. So what we do is that we're gonna create this div. So we wrap around the div with this header. So what we do is div, and we close our div. So now this chair product, which is this one, we wrapped around the div, and inside the div we're gonna work, and we're gonna put a class, and our class is gonna be deflex, just like previous ones. So what we do is that justify content between, and we put align item center, not S, we put align item center, and you guys see that it's coming by itself because we have used this before. So this px2 is that we explained in the previous video that px2 is padding. We give a padding of axis here is straight line. If you put a y, it's going to be like that, vertical. So we put a horizontal, and then after this here we're going to create a span. And with the span, inside the span we put a icon, we put I, not an image, we put I, and we close our I here and say if you put a class FAS FA, so we put a heart, we check where our span is. Excellent. So our span comes in our heart like that, but we don't want it to, we want to make it faint. But what I'll do is I'll first do this, or you guys can do FAR instead of FAS solid. So we can do FAR, and FAR looks more cool because it's empty here. There is so we could create this roundish, and we're going to give some cool color. So what we do is that inside this span we put another class, and we put a class fav, that our favorite this is favorite items, and after that we go to our good old friend CSS, and inside the CSS we put a cursor and we put a pointer. All right, so now our cursor pointer, and we check if, and now it's pointer. If you guys see my hand, it comes as a cursor pointer. Alright, so we give some height and width. Say we put a height of 30 px, we give a width of say 30 px, and as I said that if you guys want to make it round, you guys need to put a height and width equal. So if you could put a height of 50, you guys need to put a height of width of 50 as well. So we put a border radius, and we put a 50% of the border radius, which it looks cool. So we can't see border radius because we haven't applied any color. And so what we do is that we put a color, background color, So we put a background color of EEE, EEE, which is grayish, and we put a color of our heart. So we put a BEB4AA. So we put a BEB4AA and we check. Alright, so now our heart look like that, but what I'll do is that I'll try to make it inside. This heart goes inside this round box, round. Okay, so it's not a box. Okay, so a height, width, and we put a font size, and the font size is going to be 13px. And then we put a display flex, display block, inline block, and we put a flex. And justify content center, we want to make it justify content, and that's going to be center. Okay, so our contents come in center, and we put align items, and that's also going to be center. So we check if our items in the center or not. Excellent. If you guys look, our items perfectly sitting in center, even if you guys do the FAS. So what we do is that we go here, instead of FAR we do FAS. See, we see how it looks. Alright, so we come here and look, even if you put a FAS, it looks perfect because it's very faint. We look at this responsiveness. And look here, that this is our favorite items, the new chairs. But what we do is that we try, because it moved this side, because it's text center. So what happens that you guys need to sacrifice this centerness. So, and as you look here, our text move towards the center. What happens if we do PX1? I'll try PX1, see what the PX1 looks like. It still looks the same. So I'll do PX2 and I'll put an MT2. No, it's that's how it is. You guys need to sacrifice this center one, you got, because your thing's gonna move that way, but that's still fine. And we're gonna take this text center off. So new chairs, because, and if you guys look at here, it looks cool because there is one side is there's a heart sitting there, FA heart, and that's our gonna be favorite items. That's how you guys create your favorite items. So class fav, but because we all gonna be like uniformity all around there, our favorite items, so we copy this one and we're gonna apply this to all our products. Say new suites. Just what we do is that we remember the new suites. So instead of the new suites, all right, and we coming here, new computers, and what we do, we are going to apply this to all of them. So new computers. All right. So if you guys look, it applies to all of our products here. So all of our products got a heart, and you guys can apply this to all of them. We don't want to put any animation here because I like it, that's the way it is. You guys want to put animation, so it goes round and round. I already shown you guys on the top, but I don't think we're gonna do that because, and if you guys want to change the color of E1, we want to say the background color of say EEE, you guys can go change another grayish E1. There are like 100 gray colors, so you can choose any gray color. Looks is more little bit more grayish now, so you guys can play around, you guys can put red, but I don't recommend red because you guys need like a faint color here for your product that people come and like your product and it's roundish. So make sure if you guys want to put justify content center, you guys need to put this, and display flex, and align items is center. And when you guys put a height and width equal size, if you guys want to put a 40, and then you guys can apply your border radius. But if you put a height of 40 and then width of 50, it's not going to work, so it's not going to be perfectly round. So that's how, if you guys want to put the product round, anything round, a photo or a heart or anything round, so you guys need to put a background color, height of 30, width of 30, and border radius of say 50. So even if you guys say put a 40, and we coming here and you guys see 40, we see how the 41 is going to look. It's going to be more bigger. Yeah, it's more bigger, but I don't recommend. I like 31. 31 is more cool, so I'll go with the 30. With the 31, and the 31 looks more cool. So alright, that's it for this video, guys. And next video we're gonna put our price, and we're gonna put some more buttons around underneath. Alright, if you guys got any question or comment, just leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.